You ready? Okay, so a few people have been having issues with internet, a few of my friends, everything like that. So I have a really good solution to fix it in one easy step. Alright? So this is your modem / router, whatever you have that connects the internet to your home. Yeah, so this is the thing that will help you definitely with internet, I'm pretty sure. One easy step to fix it, to get higher download speeds, upload speeds, all of that. Just one easy step with this one. Yeah, so this thing will... Flies. It's a wasp. Alright, we're fine. So yeah, this thing will help you. One easy step I have today in this video. It's a very short video, very helpful to hopefully all of you. It's a really easy step. It will help you get Google search. Alright, so you have to be outside for this part, okay? With the concrete ground, okay? To get like the best signal, alright? So don't worry about the wires. This step will fix that later. It's fine. So you do. That's what you. Then you get the hammer, and you do that. You smack out of it, and then that's the way to do it. All right, welcome back. So the hammer's the key part in this. All right. Yes. Just kill the. Soon, you will get better connection speed. So, don't worry about the rattling sound. It's part of the process. It means it's just loading. Get a good close-up shot of this. Look how good this is. Look at that. That's a lot of damage. Come closer, so you can see the whole router. Oh, damn it. No, it's. Oh. All right, and there we have it. Perfect internet. The LED lights are not even flashing. They're just completely solid green. There we go. Solid step. They're plugged in and everything like that. There you go. It's yeah.